After 8 years, one of King County's most notorious murder cases finally goes to trial today.
Michelle Anderson is charged with killing 6 family members in her parents' Carnation home on Christmas Eve. Jake Whittenberg is live at the courthouse. Now, Jake, why did it take so long to get here?
Yeah, well, boy, prosecutors just feel Michelle Anderson has dragged this out as long as she possibly can. And also remember, this was a death penalty case. Anderson is now on her 3rd team of lawyers, and her former boyfriend, Joe McEnroe, was convicted of the same killings last year. So this has been a long process for the families of the victims here. And as the former lead prosecutor on the case says, it's the kind of case that sticks with you forever.
Well, it certainly is something that I'll never forget, and I don't think anybody else who was there will ever forget it.
James Konat was the lead prosecutor before leaving the office in 2012, and believes Michelle Anderson has little chance of winning here. She did not plead insanity, and after she was arrested, Anderson confessed to the killings. She's charged with killing her parents, her brother, sister-in-law, and their 2 young kids in Carnation on Christmas Eve 2007. She's the self-proclaimed mastermind of the ambush, saying she put her former boyfriend Joe McEnroe up to it, and Konat believes the motivation was jealousy of her older brother.
What kind of a person are we dealing with here?
She's difficult to get along with. I think she likes the spotlight, and ultimately, from a former prosecutor's perspective, I think she's just can't bring herself to accept responsibility for the crimes that she committed.
There's an interesting wrinkle here as well. Remember, this was a death penalty case, but King County Prosecutor Dan Sanderberg took the death penalty off the table here. That's one thing Konat thinks was a mistake. He says it could have been used as a tool to get a guilty plea out of Michelle Anderson, but that's not going to be the case now. The trial opening statements begin here at the courthouse this morning, expected to last 6 weeks. In Seattle, Jake Whittenberg, King 5 News.